So alright guys, now before I show you guys this house, let me drive around the community real quick and show you guys a little bit about this community, okay? Why this is one of those property. If you're looking to one of the greatest school system, you're looking to get in Waxhaw, in the heart of Waxhaw, being the Marvin Ridge School, this is the property for you. So let me show you the community real quick. It's in Barrington. Now this is a 3,500 square foot home, 5 bedroom, 4 full bath, 3,500 square foot, and we are going on the market at 700,000. So now let me show you guys the community a little bit. That's my sign right there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Just put the sign out there. Now let me just show you the community real quick. So let's go for a quick ride and take a look at this community. Beautiful, beautiful community with nothing but full brick homes, as you guys can see. So this one here just came on the market at $835. So we are priced way below that one. It's a little bigger, but just take a look at the neighborhood. So here's the tennis court, basketball court, the clubhouse with the pool. But then check out the neighborhood. Beautiful private community, all brick homes in the heart of Union County. So this one here is in Waxhaw by Zone 4 Marvin Ridge School System. If you guys don't know anything about Marvin School, you wanted to go do your homework, do some research and find out a little bit more about Marvin Ridge. But overall, great community. Now this one is on the market now for $1 million. It has a pool, a little bigger home. It is listed for $1 million. I'll come back and show you that one real quick. Right, just check out this community. But yeah, just take a look at what you're getting in this community. Very nice, very private, very quiet, all brick community. Just to showcase how nice this area is. Here's some home at the entrance of the community. And now let's go back and take a look at this home. So here we are. Let me flip the camera around. Beautiful full brick. Again, let me show you a little bit of the neighborhood, the neighbors. Let's go check out this bad boy. So sorry for the mess. The neighbors have the landscaper doing some landscape, so that's what the noise is all about. So let's go check this out. First of all, let me show you the grand entrance. This grand opening. Soon as you come in the home, welcome home. So to my right, there is a sitting area. Guess what? Tall ceiling. Okay, that's to my right. There we're in the middle. To my left, there is a dining area. So let's start with this one. Dining area. Then you come on this side. You have you can make it a formal sitting area here. Very high ceiling. Look at that. Open, large, so I don't have no lights on. You can just tell how much of a sunlight you get in this room. You walk up and you come to your living room. Again, very, very open living room area with a lot of windows. Got your fireplace, built-in shelves, all the way to the ceiling. How nice is that? Very spacious room, very, very spacious living room. Right, and behind you have your kitchen area. As you can tell, custom wood cabinet. a very large island, granite countertop, glass cabinet here. Now just take a look. Got a gas stove. Very open layout. Very open layout. Here's the sink. And a dishwasher here. Then you have another sitting area over here before you step out to go outside on the deck. Let's look at the inside first, then we can go outside. Okay, that's your kitchen. Your living room. Going out to your entrance. Again, as you guys can see, very open. So, first room to the right is just a little coat closet here. And about the turning the lights on. So, coming from the living room, right? Here's the hallway. You're coming in. Right to the left, immediate left, you have your laundry room with the door to the exterior. Has a cabinet. It has a gas connection in case you have a gas dryer, and electrical as well too, a 220 as well. So 220 and a gas in your laundry room. Okay. To the right is your garage. Oversized 2-car garage. You might be able to fit in 3 cars because that car is there and you still got plenty of room. So you might be able to fit in 3 cars in this garage. Good size garage. Then to your left is your first full bath. So here's the tub, toilet, sink, and a full bath. So we're still on the first floor. And a bedroom. You have a full bedroom on the main level with a full bath. How nice is that? Good size bathroom, bedroom too, by the way. Very good size bedroom on the main level. Now, this seller make sure everything is upgraded, so I'll show you guys around. So you got speakers in the ceiling. Your home speakers. He made sure that he has everything properly wired, so you can have full home surround sound. So again, on the main level, as you walk in, you got your living room, your kitchen. You can have a sitting area over there, like a breakfast area. You have another formal area, a dining room if you wanted to have a dining room. And let's go up to the second level. Got that car walk to the primary bedroom. But before we go to the primary bedroom, let's look at the other room first. So let's go check out. So right in my immediate left, you have your second bedroom, a very good sized bedroom. With a double door closet. Come out of the second bedroom. Right next to it, you have your third bedroom. very spacious bedroom with a double door closet. You have a hallway full bath. So second bathroom, the tub, your heater sink. And right here is your what I call bonus slash fourth bedroom. So you can do a lot with this bedroom. Look how spacious this bedroom is. So the seller has a bonus room, but this can be an adult secondary primary bedroom. So you have two closets. You have one closet here, okay? And you have another closet here. So you got plenty of room here to make it a bonus room, a bedroom, whatever you want to make it. The best part about this room, it has a full bathroom. So this is your third bathroom. Have your toilet, sink. So again, check out this bonus room. And now let's go check out primary suite where all the magics happen. Very, very spacious primary suite. Take a look at this. How big this is. I mean, a very large room. And let me walk you into your primary bath. Ta-da. Look at that. So you got the tub. You got the his and her sink. Sorry, they saw took the TV down. Come over here. You have your tub and you have your shower. You have a room for your toilet and a walk-in closet. Look at that. Let me turn on the light. Sorry, no. Look how spacious this walk-in closet is. Let me show you this bathroom again. This bathroom alone is the size of somebody's bedroom. I mean, look how big this bathroom is. Look how big. So again, your primary bedroom here. Car walk, so you can, hello people, how y'all doing? You can look down on people this side, or you can even look on this side. Hope everybody's doing well. We're coming. And all the bedroom on the opposite side. So I hope you guys love this home. Again, great community, great school system. We just got done touring the house, so I'm going back outside and show you guys the outside, okay? Show you how private this home is. So bear with me, let's go outside. Okay, so now let's check out the outside. First thing first, privacy. Look how private this is. That's the neighbor. And that's your next door neighbor. So with the right person, clear out some of these trees and you have nothing but privacy back there. If you guys can see, in between there's a small creek that is running behind, so you have a small creek, but other than that, very, very private backyard. Again, look, full brick, a lot of windows. Has a full system. Just show you guys around. Yeah, see? You have your deck. Have your neighbors back there. All brick home. Elevated crawl space. You have 2 units. Not a single unit, but a dual unit. Looking for privacy in the gray neighborhood? You guys definitely don't want to miss out on this home. If you are looking for a privacy, full brick, gray home in Barrington community here in Waxhaw, this one is coming on the market. So reach out to me, 704-904-5152, and that person will show you this home, okay? So this one here won't last long. We're going live today. So give me a call if you have any question about this property. Again, let me go locked up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.